Grade 2 St. Dominic. Today I will type a story of a good boy. First I will go to search and find Microsoft Word. And I will click blank document. Typing a story of a good boy. I will read it now. The boy helped the old woman. He led her across the road. He did a good deed. He was happy. He said, I helped somebody's mother, so somebody will help my mother in her old age. Dear God, be kind to this good boy, said the woman in her prayer. This is an end of a good boy story. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!